What's up, everyone? It's the warmest day of 2023 yet, so figured I'd do my first creek walk with waders, of course, because the water's still freezing. Of course, I just realized my waders don't work when I can feel water coming into my shoes, so that's not good. But anyway, I see a bottle here. Man, what is this? That ain't a crock, is it? No. Okay. So let's see what this bottle is, shall we? All right, probably modern. Yep, it's modern. Throw that out of there. Here's another one. Columbus, Ohio. Oh, 7-Up. Modern. Yeah, it's a shame on the waders. So I guess I'm going to have wet feet the rest of the day, but oh well, it is what it is. I now know to toss these or figure something out. I don't know if they're worth anything as is, but I don't know how to fix leaks in waders, so maybe someone else does, but I don't. But yeah, I don't know if it's, yes, it's cracked up. Maybe that's from being in the sun too long or something. I don't know what does that. I have another pair of waders at home, so I'm going to try to use them next and see if they work. Yeah, the water's actually pretty clear. Someone might have beat me here already, I don't know, but one thing I learned about creek walking is that even though I usually do it in summer, multiple people have usually walked the creeks by then, so usually you're not going to find nothing. Gotta beat the competition. There's a lot of people doing it now, so yep. Bubble skirt. Let's see if it's an older one or not. Parkersburg. Expected that for this area. Well, it's a Christmas Coke. Well, I'll take that. A lot of people do like the Cokes with the patent dates, so it's much better than a Pat D Coke. Showing here. Shawnee, Ohio. Oh, it's a CP Elder. Okay. Well, I haven't found one of those in a while. You all there too? Okay, got a couple things showing. This one's broken. Star Mineral Waterworks. Okay. Well, those are common. What about this one? That's broken. Okay, so broken stuff. One thing that a person usually doesn't find in creeks is smalls. But I actually have one right now. Park Davis. Huh. Well, that's embossed, so I'll keep it. So let's see here. Well, there's another one. This one just looks like a slick. Yep, it is. Alright. Okay, I see another one up here. Looks like a soda instead. Could be an older one, but I don't know for sure. It's one of those elders, but it's busted as you can see. See a couple bottles just sticking right out there. So there's actually a dump here, I think. Just gotta see what these are. Look like sodas to me. No, that's a catsup. So, no real value there. What about this one? It's also a catsup. Okay, well, if they're there, then there could easily be more. This is a crown top, but it's just a broken crown top. Oh, I see a marble. Oh, I don't want to leave that behind. But it might if I fall down, which I about did. There it is. I don't know marbles very well. Yeah, there could be more up in here. I gotta just look. But I gotta be careful moving because it's just such a steep bank here. Well, there's something here. Ball jar, probably. Nope. Newer jar. Okay. Well, I'll show you this marble cleaned up. Yeah, I'll have to look into it and see what kind it is. See something, it's probably a citrated magnesia or a product bottle. It's a product bottle. Can't tell what this is, if it's anything. What the heck? It's not even old. When someone probably left, I can tell what it says from here, Clorox. Yep. I don't know, I don't feel like cleaning it up, let someone else have it. I'm gonna buy it eventually just because it's embossed in amber. Okay, I see something aqua here. And it is broken, of course. Oh, it would have been a Finley from Toledo. Yeah, I think someone has beat me here already, but I do see something here that's interesting, probably a slick. Yeah, no embossing there. Nope, no embossing. But, I mean, still kind of a cool looking bottle. I guess I'll take it. Okay, I see something here, whatever this is. Yeah, it's broken is what that is. Yeah, I see something here. What is this? Oh, it's a modern Coke. Not modern, but 1970s or so. Something in here, I don't know what it is, but I'll see what it is. It's a fruit jar, an older looking one, if it's embossed. It kind of looks like one of them. No, it's different. Oh, it's a root. Oh, okay, I haven't found one of those in a while. Is there something else under here? No. Yeah. Alright, well, got a root mason. Just have to clean it out. A couple things here. Let's see what this one is. Looks like a crock. Yeah, I'll get a hold of it. Yeah, it's a big old wax seal jug. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna set that back down. So there's a big quart somewhere. Here it is. Hopefully it's embossed. No, I don't think so. Unless it's embossed on the heel there, which it could be. Alright. See, I will just say it's slick until I wash it a little bit and can tell. See a spot of crown top sticking out. It's not moving. Well, that's a really good thing. That means it could be whole. That means I gotta break a stick off and try to scratch around it a little bit. Oh, it's a Coca-Cola. Okay. So not as old as I thought, but could be a 1915 still. But it's in there so good. Should have brought my screwdriver today, but I didn't. The bottom part of those hobble skirts is it's probably what's keeping it in there. That is amazing. Never seen one in there so good. Well, pulling that out actually paid off. Athens, Ohio, so that's a better one. I think it's 1915. Yep, it's 1915. So first time finding Athens, 1915. Yeah, I'm all wet. Just wonder how much water these have in them. Yep. Quite a bit. Here's the creek walking finds cleaned up. So first off is this amber slick. It's blown in mold. It's probably a sample bitters or medicine bottle of some kind. 1890s to 1910 or so. Then there's this little guy here. Park and Davis. I believe that this is a Detroit, Michigan bottle. Never seen one that's actually marked Park and Davis, so normally they say PD and Company on the base. But I notice this one's made by the Owens, Illinois glass company, so maybe that's why this one's embossed. Here's a nice root mason, and it cleaned up really nice. Well, this one guy, he actually cleaned these up really good without soaking them in powdered wood bleach. I guess he scrubbed them or something, but I can't believe how good he did without that, because I always use powdered wood bleach. But yeah, it cleaned up really nice. I mean, it's pretty much close to perfect, really, for being a Doug jar. And then there's a stoneware wax seal here. These are always nice to find. I think it has a couple minor chips, but other than that, it's in good shape. Then I got a Christmas Coke from Parkersburg. CP Elder, Shawnee, Ohio. And of course, Straight Side from Columbus, Ohio. I didn't get that one on film because I didn't expect it to be anything, but it actually was. Then there's this here. And I've seen these around for sale before, but I've never personally found one until now. And this one's a different variant, even though it's kind of a boringer looking one. The Hop and Strub Bottling Company, Toledo, Ohio. So that's different. And lastly is this one. This one's really cool because it's from the general area that I was, and I've never found one, despite walking the creeks in the area for 2 years when I was in college, plus a little bit off and on when I was out of college. So it's a 1915 Coke from Athens, Ohio. First time I found one. And it looks to be in pretty good shape, too. I mean, it has some scratches on the heel, but really, I'm lucky it's all there, because I was kind of rough that getting it out. I didn't expect it to be anything, but it actually was. But it was so low down that I guess that's why it was something, because the older stuff's further down. But yeah, I can't believe it turned out that good. So yeah, Creek Walk was actually pretty successful, and that surprises me really, because there's a lot of people out doing it over there now, more than there was. And there's probably going to be even more since I post this video, since some of the people who watch me are kind of watching to see what creeks I walk and what dumps I dig and all that. So in a way, I don't want to post videos, but another way, I live like 3 hours from that area now, so why not? Anyway, that is it.